How was the workout? How'd it go?
My legs are burning. It's not that bad, but like I don't sweat a lot. So this definitely made me sweat. Hopefully that is dripping off. My legs still burn a little bit.
Let's get it.
What's going on, y'all? So we just finished the Emom workout that we're about to put you through. It's gonna be a fun, effective workout. It's a little rough though, right? You see the sweat.
I'm still catching up.
Still catching up, but it's only a 10-minute workout. It's gonna work your whole body, your legs, your core, everything. All right, so you don't have to be perfect while you're going through it. Every minute on a minute, that's what Emom means. So I'm gonna give you a set of workouts that you have to knock out, and you have to do it within a minute. So if you're taking forever to get it done, you're not gonna get a break.
Yeah, I literally, we just finished it, and woo, if I could do it again, I would go much faster because, y'all, I'm still catching up. It's a good, effective workout in a short time. Just go your hardest. You know, my brother being the trainer, he makes it look easy, but I'm here with y'all. We got each other.
It ain't easy.
It's not easy. You're gonna see throughout the video, but we finished. We gonna show y'all.
Let's get it. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, y'all, let's get it. Let's get it. So we're starting off with 10 jumping jacks, 15 squats, and 10 lunges. All right, so you got to do it within a minute. So 10 jumping jacks, 15 squats, 10 lunges. So you try to hurry up, get it done within a minute so you can get your break. Let's get it. So we're gonna repeat that one more time. 10 jumping jacks, 15 squats, 10 lunges. Doing one more time, and then we're gonna switch up the movement. So keep it going, keep it moving, let's go. Next up, we're doing side shuffles. We got lunge kicks.
Purchase your track today.
Keep on going, y'all. Keep on pushing. We're gonna repeat it one more time with the side shuffles and then the lunge kicks. It don't have to be perfect. Just keep moving, keep breathing. You got this. Let's get it. Alright, so getting on the floor, we're about to work the glutes on this one. So you're trying to bring your leg up. When you bring it up, squeeze your glute. Bring it up and down. So you're doing 20 on each side. So you should feel a little bit in your hip and in your butt and your glutes. Keep on going. 20 on each side, and then we're going to repeat this. We got 2 minutes. Alright, it's time to hit the core. Time to hit the core. So we got 20 flutter kicks. So you just bring your legs up and down, up and down. Do what you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then after that, you got 20 crunches. Alright, so you got to get this done within a minute. So try to get it done quick so you can take your break. Let's go. Alright, you're doing good so far. Doing good so far. It's the final stretch right here. So we only got 2 minutes left. Spider crawls and then half burpees. Alright, you're in a push-up position, trying to bring your foot up as close as you can to your arm. 10 of those, 5 on each side. Once you're done with that, you got 10 half burpees. So you're jumping in, jumping out, in and out. 10 and 10. So we'll repeat this 2 times and then it's a wrap. Let's get it.
Ooh, is it you saucy? is it you